We'll guide you through how to build a website on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your computer and click on the Get Started button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by entering your email and creating a password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Wix dashboard. Click on Create New Site to start the process. You'll be asked what kind of website you want to create, whether it's a blog, online store, portfolio, or something else. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After that, you can either let Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, create a site for you based on your answers to a few questions. Or you can choose to use the Wix editor for full customization. If you choose Wix ADI, just follow the prompts, and it will design a website tailored to your preferences. If you want more control, select the Wix editor option. Once in the editor, you'll see a wide range of templates sorted by categories. Pick a template that closely matches the style you want for your site. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the editor where you can customize everything. Add text, images, videos, and more by clicking on the elements you want to modify. To add new elements, click on the Add button on the left side, then drag and drop elements like text boxes, galleries, and buttons onto your page. You can also modify the site's colors and fonts by clicking on the Design menu. If you want to add pages, click on the Menus and Pages button. Here, you can add new pages, manage existing ones, or set up navigation. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how your site looks. If everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner to make your site live. Wix will offer a free Wix domain, or you can connect your own custom domain if you have one. Remember, a custom domain gives your site a more professional look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.